Alright guys, I am finally done other than some touch up. I was pulling some paint or tape off and it pulled the paint off, so it's great. A couple different places, there and there. But got the second coat of polyurethane on. So I'll start with the bads. I wish that, I think I already said this, I wish that I would have done more like a face frame rather than individual pieces of trim like this. Their seams, I mean it is a pantry, those seams are kind of hard to see, but they are there. It would have been much easier to just do a face frame and cover up some of the blemishes that I had anyway, but it is what it is. I did have, like down here, just some where everything's coming together, and I was trying to fill in, and it just, that's probably the worst looking part out of the whole thing. What else? The shelves, I don't know that I would have done anything different there. Their tolerances are really close, closer than I thought they were going to be. I can't tell where the seams are. Can't tell where the seams are, where the two pieces of wood shelving go together. I ended up using latex paint, 2 coats, and also 2 coats of water-based polyurethane on the shelving portions. This little tabletop that I call, it's of course solid hardwood on the top, sanded, a lot of sanding, and filled where the imperfections were, where it was raised a little bit. But it has 2 coats of oil-based polyurethane, which I love. It just seems like it covers better, but I can't put it on anything that's light in color because it will apparently yellow over time. I've never really tested that, but don't want to do that now. Everything else, I mean, turned out okay. I got the quarter round in, caulked around the edges. I didn't do any coping of that. I'm not good at it, and I was fine just doing the 45s and then filling in with caulk. I just, like I said, now just need to go through and do a few touch-ups, but can't really point anything else out bad. I'm sure somebody will, but there it is. It took a lot of time, a lot more than I expected. A lot of changes, but hopefully it'll be worth it. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.